Chief Minister Siddharamaiah paid his last respects to the mortal remains of the late Hazrat Maulana Saghir Ahmad Khan Rashadi, the head of Darul Uloom Sabilur Rashad, and expressed his deep condolences to the family. The Chief Minister offered prayers for the departed soul and said that the state has lost a respected religious scholar who dedicated his life to education, faith, and social harmony. He prayed that Almighty God grants patience and strength to the family to bear with this irreparable loss. Several senior leaders and dignitaries were present during the funeral ceremony, including Ministers K.J. George and Zamir Ahmad, Chief Ministers, Political Secretary Nasir Ahmad, Additional Chief Secretary to the Government Anjum Parvez, along with other officials and community representatives. The presence of top government leaders reflected the deep respect Maulana Saghir Ahmad Rashadi commanded across society for his contributions to the Islamic education and community welfare.
ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಗೌರವಪಡೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಂದನ ಶಸ್ತ್ರ ಶಸ್ತ್ರ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಗೌರವಪಡೆ ಕೇಳ ಶಸ್ತ್ರ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಗೌರವಪಡೆ ಕಟಾರಿ ಹಿಂದಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಗೌರವಪಡೆ ಸಾವಧಾನ ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಗೌರವಪಡೆ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ सही सही आगे आइए जल्दी से भी आगे आइए अजमान याद आए तो आगे आगे आइए पीछे खड़ा आगे बढ़ते रहो आगे बढ़ते आगे बढ़ो
ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.